Are you thinking about a stay at Disney's Beach Club Resort? From the beautiful pool to the amazing food and activities, we have all of the details you need to maximize your stay. We've put together our top 5 from this resort that you don't want to miss. So come along with us and find out why Disney's Beach Club Resort may be your next perfect vacation destination. Welcome to the Magical Resorts Guide. My name is Jennifer, and along with my husband Chris and toddler Mason, we're on a journey to stay in all 18 Walt Disney World resorts by the end of the year. From exploring Mexican-inspired villages at Coronado Springs to sticking our toes in the sand at Beach Club and beyond, we are going to share our favorite tips so you can book your next Disney stay with confidence. Let's jump in. Welcome to Disney's Beach Club Resort, a magical and intimate resort located in the Epcot Resort area of Walt Disney World. With only 583 hotel rooms, you'll feel like you're on a private beach getaway. But don't worry, the resort also offers a DVC villa option, and it's connected to its sister resort, the Yacht Club, providing you with plenty of fun activities to do during your stay. The resort's theming is inspired by the charming seaside resorts of New England, taking its cues from the picturesque beachfront cottages of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. As a deluxe resort, Beach Club offers some of the best amenities and services on Disney property, making your vacation unforgettable. But with all of these luxurious amenities, you're probably wondering, what's the price tag? Well, it's definitely on the pricier side, with an average price per night ranking from $500 to $700, depending on the time of year. However, if you're looking for a luxurious and unforgettable vacation experience, it might be worth the splurge. Now, if you're having a hard time deciding which resort would be the best for your next vacation, which is understandable because there are a lot of choices, then be sure to download our free Disney Resort Decision Quiz. This is a fun quiz that takes into account what you plan to do on your vacation to make sure you're picking the right resort. I've left the link in the comments, so be sure to grab that before your next stay. We are starting number 5 off with an odd one that I feel very strongly about. The iconic Beaches and Cream is a casual, retro-themed restaurant located at Disney's Beach Club Resort. The restaurant features classic American diner-style decor with a jukebox, black and white checkered floors, and cozy booths. The menu is focused on classic American comfort food, including burgers, sandwiches, hot dogs, and fries. You may have heard about this restaurant because it is a must-do on many people's list and is extremely hard to get a reservation. For me, the food is just okay and not worth all of the hype. But what is great here is the ice cream. So instead of stressing myself out and trying to get a reservation, we simply head to Beaches and Cream to-go window. This is right next to the Beaches and Cream restaurant, and it is so convenient. Now, you can't get food on this menu, but you can get a great selection of ice cream cones and sundaes, milkshakes, and floats, as well as a mini version of the famous kitchen sink, which is just the right amount of dessert to share, plus a little easier on the wallet. The service is great and fast, making it way too easy to have ice cream every day of your vacation. Coming in at number 4 is the relaxing beach feel. One thing we love about this resort is the relaxed atmosphere you feel when you walk in. Disney's Beach Club Resort boasts a unique and charming New England seaside vibe that can be seen in its classic decor, architecture, and motifs. The resort's color scheme is dominated by calming blues, greens, and beige, while the use of natural materials like wood and stone adds to the cozy and welcoming environment. The beach vibe will have you feeling like you've stepped right into a coastal oasis. With plenty of seating around and many lounge chairs designed for relaxation, you're sure to find a spot to sit back and unwind. The lobby features a gorgeous seashell chandelier and comfortable seating areas, and the guest rooms are decorated in a modern yet classic style with neutral colors and ample natural light. Many rooms offer stunning views of the pool or lagoon, adding to the overall beachfront feel of the resort. And you can't forget the gorgeous white sand beaches in the back of the resort. Here you will find chairs, swings, and hammocks, and you can see Epcot fireworks at night. Now, this resort doesn't give you that posh, grand, or ultimate deluxe resort feel. Honestly, walking into the lobby can feel underwhelming, and for many, this can be a downside. But if you feel relaxed at the beach and want a similar vibe, only with Disney theme parks a few steps away, then you will love the theming here. This is the reason why this resort is in the top 3 for Chris. He's a big beach fan, and this resort really brings that feeling to life. Of course, number 3 has to be food. The dining at Disney's Beach Club falls on our best and worst list. And yes, I do have a worst list coming with things you should be aware of before your stay, so be sure to subscribe if you want to know our thoughts. This resort offers a variety of dining options for guests, all of which we cover in our full Beach Club Resort Tour video. But the real winner here is the easy access you have to other resort restaurants in the area. You can conveniently walk to over 40 nearby restaurants, from quick service, pool bars, lounges, table service, and fine dining options, all without going inside a theme park. The majority of these restaurants can be found between the Boardwalk Inn, Yacht Club, the Swan and Dolphin resorts, as well as at the Beach Club. If you want to expand this list even further, you can jump on a quick Skyliner ride and check out all of the dining at the Riviera Resort, Caribbean Beach, as well as Pop Century and Art of Animation's food courts. This area is one of the best places to stay if you want lots of food options that are easy to get to. Now, if your budget allows, we highly suggest adding Park Hopper to your theme park ticket. One of our favorite things to do is head back into Epcot for some end-of-the-night snacking. And don't forget, you're only a few steps away. At Epcot, there's a wide variety of international dining options in the World Showcase, including French, Italian, Japanese, Mexican cuisine, and more. And if you're like me, you're going to be making a late-night bakery stop in the France Pavilion to load up on those chocolate croissants. With so many dining options, it's really hard to go wrong. Now, before we head to reason number 2, I do have to ask a favor. If you're finding this video helpful, we would love it if you would hit the like button. It really means the world to us and our channel. Now back to the favorites list. Number 2 is the best pool at Walt Disney World. Welcome to Stormalong Bay, the ultimate water wonderland, and it's located at Disney's Beach Club Resort. This 3-acre pool area is a paradise for kids and adults alike, offering a variety of attractions that will leave you speechless. With 3 pools, a lazy river, a sandy beach, a 230-foot-long water slide, and over 750,000 gallons of water to splash around in, there's definitely something for everyone here. One of the most notable pools is a zero-depth entry pool with a sandy bottom. This pool is 2 feet all around and has soft white sand peaks along the edges, perfect for building sandcastles. And if you're looking for a little quieter experience, there are several leisure pools with gorgeous waterfalls and multiple hot tubs hiding around the complex. Want to just float along and enjoy the scenery? Hop on the lazy river that weaves around the property and is oh so relaxing, but also deep. In some spots it's up to 8 feet deep, so be sure those little swimmers have tubes or life jackets, which are complimentary to resort guests. And for the adrenaline junkies out there, you have to try the Flying Jib Slide. To enter the slide area, you have to walk across the path to the massive shipwreck. Here you will find a small slide for younger swimmers and then a massive 230-foot water slide that shoots you back to the swim complex. Half enclosed and half open, this slide is fast. If you have ridden this slide, you'll have to let us know what you think in the comments, but we definitely think it's the best water slide at a Disney resort. And if that's not enough, there's plenty of activities to keep you entertained too. From beach volleyball to cornhole, ping pong to poolside games, there's never a dull moment at Stormalong Bay. Hungry? Stop by Hurricane Hannah's, Stormalong Bay's pool bar that serves up delicious American-style cuisine for lunch and dinner. You can even order directly from your pool chair with a cast member. How convenient is that? Keep in mind, Stormalong Bay is exclusively available to guests staying at Disney's Beach Club Resort and its sister resort, Disney's Yacht Club. Entry into the pool complex is checked by either your room key or magic band, so be sure to have it with you when you head down. It's definitely worth spending a full pool day or 2 at this swim complex. And coming in at number 1 is the proximity to the theme parks. The Beach Club Resort is located basically in Epcot's backyard. It is the closest Disney resort to Epcot, making it the perfect location if you plan to visit this theme park the most. It takes anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to walk the International Gateway entrance of Epcot, depending on your room location within the resort. This entrance is going to take you into the back side of the park, where you will enter into the World Showcase between England and France. It is so close, in fact, that I got turned around when trying to get back to my car to get the rest of the luggage and ended up at the entrance of Epcot. And yes, I was very tempted to stop unpacking. If walking isn't your thing, a friendship boat can take you to the park's entrance. These aren't the fastest options, but they are very relaxing and will save you some extra steps. You can also take advantage of the Disney Skyliner, which is a gondola ride connecting Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, and several nearby resorts. The Skyliner station is conveniently located just a few minutes walk from the resort's lobby, over by the Epcot International Gateway entrance. The proximity to Epcot and the Skyliner make it easy to visit the park for a few hours, return to the resort for a midday break, and then return to the park later in the day for evening activities, which is one of our biggest summertime vacation tips. The Beach Club is also very close to Disney's Hollywood Studios, which can be reached by friendship boat, a walking path which takes about 15 minutes or less, or the Disney Skyliner. We always say, if you're going to spend the extra money on a deluxe resort, make sure it's near the theme parks you will be visiting the most. The close access to the theme parks is one of the biggest perks of a deluxe resort. So if you're heading to Epcot or Hollywood Studios a lot during your trip, Beach Club is going to be a great pick. From the stunning pool complex and relaxing vibe to the delectable dining options and unbeatable location, this resort has a best of list that is quite impressive. But we want to know what you think. Does our best list have you ready to book your next stay, or are you waiting to see what's on the worst list? Let us know in the comments if you think these 5 options make this deluxe resort worth the splurge. And don't forget to grab your free resort decision quiz down in the comments below. Be sure to check out this video next, and if you're heading to Walt Disney World soon, we hope you have a magical resort stay.